Here's a 2019 Mitsubishi Triton 4-wheel drive GLXR. Here's the 5 best things about this one. Right, number 5 is the 5-star safety rated. 5 is the best amount of stars. Now this also comes with forward collision mitigation, so if someone slams their brakes on in front of you, it's going to beep at you. If that doesn't work, it's actually going to put its brakes on for you. It also has lane departure warning as part of that, so if you fall asleep, start changing lanes without your indicator on, it's going to beep at you and tell you that's not a good thing to do. Number 4, we've got the colour-coded Canopy, beautiful in blue. That is obviously lockable and comes with the deck liner in there as well. Number 3 is removable Towbar. Removable so you can take it off and not bash your shins when you don't need it. Now it's got the 3.5 ton tow ball on it. This is capable of 3.5 ton towing on a braked trailer. Right, number 2, coming inside. There's a bit of a cluster of features for number 2, and that cluster is the rain sensing wipers. So when the windscreen gets wet, wipers come on. That's really handy. Light sensing headlamps, very similar. When it gets dark, the lights come on, and you've got an auto dimming rear view mirror up there. Now all those 3 things just make life a lot easier in driving around. Number 1 is you've got a nice big touch screen stereo unit there. Now part of that has Apple Carplay and Android Auto compatible, and it also has the reverse camera built in, so a nice big reverse camera, hands-free phone obviously, and the best thing, it has wireless streaming, so you can stream your music from your phone, Spotify, YouTube, whatever you like, straight to the stereo, out through the speakers. You'll never have to listen to another ad on the radio ever again. So there it is. She's a great wagon. Come and see it. 140 Cameron Road. We're open 7 days a week. Bay City Mitsubishi. We'll see you soon.